What is up everybody, Rosalie here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about drop shipping, what it is, how it works, and how you can get started. Coming up. Welcome back, Rosalie here, bringing you tips and tricks on how you can increase your income online so you can have more time offline. Okay, for those of you who are new here, welcome and consider subscribing because I'm going to be releasing videos every Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'm going to be picking one lucky subscriber every week to get a free call, one-on-one call with me. Okay, so if you want to be one of the lucky winner, then go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me in. Okay, so in today's video we are going to talk about dropshipping. It is one of the most asked questions nowadays. No wonder, because it's been going crazy in the past couple of years. Okay, so what dropshipping means? It is a business model of selling other people's product for a profit. The old traditional way of doing business, if you have an idea, you will go and manufacture them, warehouse them, and then sell them. But you're not gonna do that in dropshipping. In dropshipping, all you need to do is create a website or your online store, choose a product that you want to sell from AliExpress. AliExpress is a website and a company from China that have hundreds and thousands of products with a wholesale price. Then add them to your website and advertise your website or your online store through social media. Once a customer buys from your store, all you need to do is order it from the supplier, fill up the shipping information of your customer, and now the supplier will ship the order directly to your customer. Like any other businesses, there are advantages and disadvantages of drop shipping. Let's talk about the good one first. Number one, you do not need a large amount of money or capital to invest in your inventory. You do not even need to see and touch the products that you want to sell. The second advantage is you can run this business anywhere in the world. Yes, all you need is a laptop and an internet. The third advantage is you can earn while you sleep. Yes, you heard me right. Since your website or your online store is open 24/7, anybody in the whole wide world who have access to the internet can buy from your store. Now, let's talk about the disadvantages. So the first disadvantage is the long shipping time. Since most of the products that we are selling is shipped from China, shipping times can be long. That's why it is very important to work with a good supplier. A supplier that can ship fast and cheap. The next disadvantage is competition. Since this business is very low risk and very easy to start, there's a lot of people already doing it. But do not let that stop you, because there are still huge opportunity out there. Remember, there are billions of people online. So if you want to start your own e-commerce dropshipping business, I have prepared or created a Shopify tutorial. Shopify is the main platform that we use to create our website or our online store. I will put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.